Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically print pictures from Pinterest. So for instance, you want to print this one, okay, this one maybe. So right click, save image as, select the file, and then just open the file right away. If I can just do that. Okay, there we go. Then you're just going to simply select the printer button here, and then you're going to select the orientation. Maybe you want it to be portrait, the paper size. Do you want the photo size to be full page or maybe a little bit smaller? You can adjust it here, and you can also adjust the margins as well here, or fill the page. Fit. I'm just going to select full page, and you're just going to simply print it. I don't have a printer, so I can't really print it out, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!